Welcome everyone, welcome to the channel. So today we have a wireless mouse and how to connect this wireless mouse to any iPad. So you can connect basically wireless and wired mouse to any iPad. So this is the receiver from this mouse. So what do we need? We just need an OTG connector. So this is basically a connector. It's a lightning connector and this is the receiver from this mouse. So what we can do, we can connect it using OTG connector. This lightning cable goes into the iPad. So that's it. As you can see, my mouse is started working. This is the wireless mouse and you can actually scroll. And it's extremely easy to do that. You can use an external mouse, wireless mouse, or wired mouse to any iPad. It's very easy to connect a wireless mouse or wired mouse to any iPad. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel so we can make more videos.